Hi, welcome to Ecoppia Solar Scholar. My name is Ziv Ramati-Miller, and today we'd like to talk to you about panel safety. The most important asset of any solar site are the panels themselves. The increasing costs of panels and site operations due to COVID and other world events, coupled with the reduction of bidding prices for energy and the rising cost of maintenance, makes the profit margin ever slimmer. Therefore, the protection of solar panels, increasing their lifespan and increasing the power production, is of a paramount importance. One of the main options to increase the energy production of the panels is the anti-reflective coating, spread along the panel to absorb more sunlight energy instead of reflecting it back, giving you an energy uplift of 3% and more. These days, anti-reflective coating is used not only on the cells themselves, but on the top of the glass surface, the superstrate as well, caging the light between the different layers of the solar panels. When using brushes or intensive ways to clean, it will often cause abrasions and scratches to the anti-reflective coating and even to the panel beneath it. This not only removes the benefits of the anti-reflective coating, but it can reduce energy production below that of not having the anti-reflective coating at all. Cleaning equipment or methods need to be as gentle as possible in order to remove all the dust and soiling without damaging the superstrate coating. Nominally, anti-reflective coating might have up to 15 years of operation, but lab tests found that brush-based cleaning to destroy it within 2 years of monthly cleaning or even less. When Ecoppia has created its first solution, the E4, and throughout all other products, we have always kept in mind the axiom, first do no harm. And so we have been using airflow and soft microfibers that have been proven never to harm anti-reflective coating in over 20 years of daily cleaning. So in designing a site for optimal production for years at a time, you need to take into account panel lifetime and performance, making sure you operate within the panel's warranty terms and producing the most energy for the longest period of time. That is panel safety.